Concentrate on your breaths and feel the structure. You're either sitting or lying onto. Feel the structure. Keep on breathing. The truth, the reality of the life is Mother Earth. Why? The reason is because we are on Earth. So keep on breathing into this physical body that is made of this earth. So today, at this moment, we'll be working onto the element earth. Keep on breathing. Element earth is a solid structure of the body. So keep on breathing into your body. Allow your body to feel and allow your body to know where you need to regenerate, where you need to balance. Allow your body. We know the reality that everything around us and within us is an illusion. But the truth is that we are on earth right now into this physical body. Keep on feeling your body with your breaths now and give an intention to your body. I am ready to balance the element earth in me. I am ready to balance. I am ready to grow. The element earth is the body that gives the solid form, covers bones, flesh, skin, tissues, and hair. So I repeat, the elements in the body that come under the element earth are bones, flesh, skin, tissues, and hair. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. So first, let's go to the bones. Feel the bone from the top of your head till the toe of your leg. Our entire body is dependent on the bone because the bone is the support system of the body. Feel the bones and allow your bone to get rejuvenated and lubricated with the element earth. The more grounded you are, the more your bones get the nourishment to be strong. So feel the energy in the bone. With each and every breath you take now, bring your consciousness into your bone and allow your bone to feel the lubricant, to feel the strength, and to feel the support. I support my body with trust and happiness. I'm strong and allow my bones to get strong and flexible in the joints. Allow your bones to get stronger and stronger, and allow the strength in your body to grow. Support and strength in the body. Support and strength in the body makes you feel safe and secure. Next, feel the tissues in your body. Allow the tissues in the body to get refreshed and rejuvenated. Feel each and every tissue in your body. In the tissue, allow your cells, your structure to get rejuvenated. Allow your muscles, and your nervous system rejuvenate it as much as possible. Now next, feel the flesh in your body. Allow the flesh in your body to let go of any foul smell, or let go if there is extra flesh or there is less flesh in the body. So balance and equalize the flesh in the body. Allow your flesh to get fresh, active, and protective to the body. Now slowly bring your awareness onto the skin. Feel the skin and allow your skin to get tightened, refreshed, and feel the pores of the skin to receive the divine energy. Mother Earth energy from within, that is nourishment, and divine energy from above you. Allow your skin to feel, glow, shine, be protective. More you feel safe and protected, the more the skin is glowing and rejuvenated. Keep on receiving. I'm protected. I'm safe. The skin completely belongs to the Mother Earth. So feel the nourishment from the Mother Earth coming in your body. And allow your skin to feel nourished from inside. And feel the divine energy from above you coming down and allowing your skin to become strong and active. Now slowly feel your bones, your flesh, your skin and your tissues completely rejuvenated. And now when you're done with this, bring your awareness on your scalp, that is your hair. Allow your hair to feel the nourishment of the Mother Earth and the divinity of the divine energy, because nourishment will allow the hair to grow and the divinity will allow you to feel protected and safe. Allow your hair to grow thicker, stronger. Allow it to grow as much as possible. And now, allow the Mother Earth energy and the divine energy to get merged and creating nourishment and protected feeling for the bones, muscles, tissues, skin and hair. And now if you feel that your body is either underweight or overweight, so the imbalance in the body weight also happens with the lack of element earth. So feel the grounding from the Mother Earth and allow your body to receive the energy needed and let go. See the fat melting out of the body and going into the Mother Earth. So wherever in your body you feel there is a fat, replace it with the energy of the divine and allow the nourishment into that energy and see the extra fat melting out into the Mother Earth, into the ground. Any muscles pain, see this going into your muscles and divine energy energizing your muscles, Mother Earth energy giving lot of nourishment, and any swollen muscles will get back to normal now. And now feel your teeth, and if you have any issues in your teeth, bring the energies of the Mother Earth and the Divine and allow your teeth to balance the element Earth. Let go of any pain, any issues in your teeth, and take back your original strong teeth now. And now, Mother Earth represents the sense organ, the sense smell. So when you have ability to smell, that means you are active with the Mother Earth, the element Earth. So feel, allow your smelling ability that is there in your nose to get rejuvenated to its best. Element Earth is the only element that is feminine in nature. Rest all the elements are masculine in nature. So allow the feminine energy in your body to get enhanced with this element Earth. Allow your nose to smell and your body to get rejuvenated. Allow your femininity to get enhanced and nourished by this element. And now, lastly, element Earth allows you to ground, feel calm, keep your ego in complete balance. It gives lot of energy to the bones, muscles, tissues. And element Earth also protects you from the illness and infections. So allow the element Earth to come in balance so that your body is protected and guided from this. And now, allow your body and say to your brain that I have balanced element earth and element water in my body. And this is my reality now. Feel your body. Keep on breathing into it. Feel your back, feel your shoulder, feel the top of your head, and bring back your awareness into your physical body completely. And when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness into the room. Feel the balance of element earth and element water completely. Take your time. Thank you.